Welcome to our presentation of Skyway Technologies, the Skyway Investment Group, and how they're creating the new economic evolution of the world. In this presentation, we will take a look at what they offer, why you should participate, and how you can make a difference.
A question for you. How many income streams would you like? Having more income streams will put you in a better financial position. So we have something unique to benefit everyone. Families, single parents, millennials, retired people, or just tired people. Everybody who's just tired of that 9 to 5.
Before we start, we will address compliance. SWIG are not registered brokers or advisors. Please consider this presentation as general information for your consideration. As you know, all business opportunities come with risk. Please be responsible for your own results. Figures offered are for illustrative purposes only. We under no circumstances offer financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. And seek confirmation from a licensed accountant or financial advisor for compliance in your country. Let us introduce you to Dr. Anatoly Unitsky. He is the Skyway designer, and the whole thing is his brainchild. He's an engineer with 40 years experience. He's an author of over 150 inventions, over 100 patents worldwide, and for Skyway he has over 300 memorandums of understanding in place with over 12 countries. The United Nations gave him a $1 million grant. And we invite you to check out his website where you will see all of his amazing accomplishments.
So let's take a look at some of Skyway Technology products that you can be a co-owner of.
With the understanding that 90% of wealth is held by 10% of the people, Skyway could, without a doubt, raise all its required finances from billionaires and large investment groups. Dr. Uniski's vision, however, is to share the wealth with the people who choose to see the vision with him. Those individuals will become co-owners in the transportation system and future environmental projects. This is made possible now by Andrei Haratov and the creation of SWIG, Skyway Investment Group.
Let me introduce you to our Skyway Invest Group CEO. His name is Andrei Haratov, and he is a professional investor, a self-made multimillionaire, a founder of Skyway Invest Group, a creator of Academy of the Private Investors, and a finance and investment business coach.
These visionaries see the same future through slightly different perspectives. Together they are creating the NEEW, the new economic evolution of the world, where all people can have ownership in the companies that build the future.
So how can you help? Become a co-owner for as little as $50. Let's look at other packages that are available. Standard packages offer a one-time payment. So these are all the different packages that you can do. We also have installment packages. Should you choose to pay over a 10-month period of time, you could do any one of these installment packages. These are also offered in your back office, so you can run through what each one of these would be and how they could be useful for you. As a co-owner of Skyway Technologies, you will benefit from IPO or dividends sometime in the future. This could be 3 years away or more. We do not have a definitive date. What I can tell you about this company is that they like to underpromise and overdeliver.
Let's take a look at the $100 educational package. Not only do you get access to an educational platform, you are also gifted 2,500 pre-IPO private equity shares in Skyway Technologies. Once these shares become public, they will be listed on the London Stock Exchange, where we would expect them to list at approximately $1 per share. If that was the case, you would then be the proud owner of a portfolio with the value of $2,500. Now we know it's going to grow from there. So at $5, your portfolio value would be $12,500. At $10, it would be $25,000. And at $20 US, your portfolio value would be $50,000. At $1,000, the amount is $35,000, which is a major increase in the percentage of your pre-IPO equity shares. At $20 US, your portfolio value on a $1,000 package would be $700,000. Take the time to consider your current options, all of your current finances, and especially your future financial goals. Skyway is currently in stage 13.3 of 15 well-executed stages. When these stages close, the stock will be listed, and the opportunity to participate and receive pre-IPO equity shares will be gone.
Let's see how smart investors make money. So check this out. Here you have Microsoft. Microsoft started out at approximately 10 cents per share. Now it's around $100 per share. Now let's take Tesla for example. Tesla was $17 when it first came out. Now it's around $2.50. Alphabet, $52, over $1,000 per share now. And the last one, which most of us probably missed the boat on, $1.73 per share for Amazon, over $1,500 per share right now. If you had 1,100 shares with Amazon, your portfolio value would be $1.65 million just for holding on to it.
So as a quick recap, we've taken a look at Skyway Technology, its vision and implementation. We've also looked at Skyway Investment Group, the education packages that it provides, and the pre-IPO equity shares that you will be gifted when purchasing those educational packages. Although what we've shown you already is powerful, we have yet more to share. We're in the pre-launch phase of our new product. Our new education products include course topics relevant to succeed in managing finances and wealth creation. Here are just some of the subjects you can study. First steps of a private investor, auditing your finances, additional sources of income, creating financial plans, why it is so important to keep track of your money and how to grow it, how to be in the financial flow of the rich, and how to turn any dream into a reality. We all know that study is theory and doing is practical, so we've included a very special gift for you. In each of our packages is included our new product, Crypto Unit. But why crypto? Isn't crypto risky? All investments, of course, have an element of risk. But, however, our crypto unit in time will be a registered security token. These are secured by real-world assets unlike crypto coins. Security tokens are also governed by regulatory bodies. The crypto unit will allow you to share in the profit of real-world assets. There's a loyalty program attached to this as well, and those who joined in March or April have already enjoyed a loyalty payment in May.
So here's the SWIG portfolio, which is the physical asset that is backing the crypto unit. There were 21 investment instruments in February. Another 8 instruments have been added. Shares in Facebook, Twitter, Berkshire Hathaway, Sberbank, Gazprom Banks, Visa, MasterCard, FedEx, and Energy, a gold mine in Tanzania, land and real estate in Taganrog in Russia, a variety of cryptocurrencies, and of course, Skyway Technologies, where we have a large amount of stake. Coming soon, we have crypto and cash ATM machines. In fact, these ATM machines were actually released 8 months early than planned. And so the first physical ATM machine has already been released, and we can own a piece of the pie of that as well. So every day our financial team is working hard to add wealth generating assets to our global portfolio. This is our SWIG portfolio performance over the past 4 years. Now the statistics that I'm going to show you next in the next slide may be staggering, but are true. Here is the growth in figures. October 2014, SWIG was $26,000. Andre Carato, the CEO of SWIG, essentially put in $26,000 of his own money. In February 2019, he grew that to a capital of $11.5 million. That is a 44,130% growth, 774% per month, and an average of 25.8% per day. The Crypto Unit program provides an opportunity to become a co-owner, stakeholder, and shareholder of a global investment portfolio, which operates in all segments and sectors of the investment market. These are all the different areas that the global portfolio has ownership. And if you look, just to name a few, you have the real estate sector, you have the science sector, the banking sector, stock markets, innovative transport. Everything, every single segment is basically taken care of.
Please understand that this is a private members-only club, and with most clubs there is a membership fee. In previous stages, you would have been required to purchase one of the SWIG packages in order to participate in the CRU side of this opportunity. We're pleased to announce, however, that at this time they have chosen to drop this requirement. And in addition, they're generously offering 20 units to be used against the purchase of the education package on the crypto side. The crypto program has been rolled out in stages. We are currently in stage 6 of 8. These packages are in high demand and do sell out. So talk to the person who's introducing you to SWIG and find out what packages are available at this time. So what are the possibilities with SWIG? You can save the planet by enabling the growth of an environmentally friendly global transportation system. Receive an education on personal finance and investing. And you can support the new economic evolution of the world where the wealth is spread out and not limited to the privileged 10%. Most importantly, you can create a financial future for yourself and your family and leave a legacy that will live on.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you for joining us today and ask to register for a free SWIG back office website. We look forward to your future success.